I have been inviting people to get involved with the foundation for these 19 years, and it's growing glacially, but it's growing. And more people are realizing that we're not trying to pick their pockets for donations. We're asking them to recognize that the work we're doing is totally necessary for the growth of our industry. And it's like what we want, yes, we want your financial support, but we also want what's in your heart. We want you to be sold on the concept of what we're doing, because it's real, it's important, and it's effective.